Yeah, so hi everyone. Good evening. Most welcome in today's special session on Let's Talk Live in 9 to 10 p.m. session. Once again, we all joined here for enjoy our session. So without waste of time, directly going to start it and directly going to start one another activity over here with you all. But the condition is that what are we going to do here in today's session? So in today's session, I will ask some sentences in Hindi and you all have to translate that all in English. Hindi to English translation part will be there. Is it okay for everyone? Are you all comfortable? I think who belong from Tamil and Tamil Nadu, Kerala, they don't have Hindi. Means they don't have idea to understand Hindi sentences, right? Am I right? Do you know Poonam ma'am, Hindi, Nisha ma'am? Do you know both Priya sir?
I think apart from
Sir, I can
all other
understand
members,
Hindi
no.
very well.
Can you translate
All
Hindi
other
to English?
members,
Sumit sir, I can understand Hindi, even speak also Hindi.
Okay, so nice. So what about Poonam ma'am and Priya sir?
I don't know
Sir?
Hindi at all.
Okay, you don't know Hindi.
Sir,
Okay,
what did you say?
I
means
think
if
apart
we are
from
going,
all other person know Hindi very well.
if we are going to start Hindi to English translation practice today, so is it okay for you, ma'am, Poonam
Yeah,
ma'am?
you can do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know Hindi very well. I can write. I can
Okay,
speak
great.
very well.
So nice, so nice. So we can go. We can proceed with this. Only for Priya sir, I can ask English to English. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, no
is it
problem.
okay,
Actually, I
Priya
am
sir?
on the train.
Is there any
I am
problem?
traveling. Actually, I am traveling. You can carry on.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So first
Yeah.
going to call for the translation this time. Okay. First, Nisa ma'am, you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So may I start translation? May I start?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Please. Okay. First translation is for you. That translation is आप कैसी हैं?
How are you?
आपका नाम क्या है?
What's your name?
आप कहाँ रहती हैं?
Where do you live?
आप क्या खाती हैं?
What would you like to eat?
नो नो उसमें हो गया कि आप क्या खाना चाहती हैं? आप क्या
Hmm.
खाती हैं?
What do you eat?
ओके. जो सब लोग खाते हैं वो मैं भी खाती हूँ.
Okay. It's quite difficult.
Okay.
Translation is not easy task, sir.
Yes, yes, we
Okay.
know.
Whatever everyone eat, I eat.
Also, I eat that. Okay.
Hmm.
So next translation is okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
It's okay, no matter, no issue.
यह कोई बड़ा विषय नहीं है.
It's not a big deal.
ओके. क्या मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ?
Can I ask one question?
बिल्कुल निसंकोच पूछिए.
Obviously, you can.
ओके. क्या आप एक पढ़ी लिखी महिला हैं? क्या आप एक पढ़ी लिखी महिला हैं?
So क्या बोलूं? Are you educated woman?
आर यू एन एजुकेटेड वुमेन?
Woman?
हाँ. आपको क्या लगता है मैं पढ़ी लिखी हूँ या नहीं?
What do you think? I'm educated or not?
मुझे लगता है आप बहुत पढ़ी लिखी हैं.
I feel you are
हाईली एजुकेटेड.
highly educated. Yes.
आपको यह बात कैसे पता चला?
how do you know this thing?
How do you know this या फिर how did you get it? Okay.
Okay.
ओके क्योंकि आपका बात करने की तौर तरीका से हमें समझ आया आप बहुत एजुकेटेड हैं. Because way of your talking.
Yeah. The way you talk, we can
Okay.
understand you are an educated person.
I get it that you are highly educated. Okay.
Yes.
ओके. अच्छा आपने मेरे बात करने के तौर तरीका से आपको समझ आ गया कि मैं बहुत पढ़ी लिखी हूँ.
Okay, so the way I talk, you getting my education, higher education.
Right, you got it that how am I educated मतलब मैं कितनी पढ़ी लिखी हूँ. ओके. 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 ठीक है, क्या मैं आपसे कुछ और सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ?
Okay, can I ask some question,
more question?
another question?
Some another या फिर some more questions? जी बिल्कुल पूछिए, लेकिन थोड़ा सरल पूछिएगा.
Yes, you go ahead, but in a good way or
but
in an
ask
easy way.
हाँ, but ask simple. ओके. ओके. क्यों आप घबरा रही हैं?
Do
क्यों
you
आप घबरा
afraid?
रही हैं? नॉट डू. आप घबरा रही हैं?
Well, you,
No, क्या आप घबरा रही हैं?
Oh,
क्या are you getting afraid?
okay, get afraid.
नहीं, मैं घबरा नहीं रही हूँ.
I'm not. Uh, no, I'm not got afraid.
Getting afraid.
Okay.
हाँ. ये आपका सवाल क्या था, पूछिए.
Okay. What the question? Ask me.
Please ask what was your question. Yeah, what was your question? Okay. ओके. जानते हैं मैं क्या सोच रही थी? मैं यह सोच रही नहीं बता हंसेंगे.
My God, it's difficult.
ओके. सिंपल. मैं सोच रही थी.
You know what I felt?
What I was thinking या फिर what I was wondering. ओके.
Okay.
मैं यह सोच रही थी कि अगर मैं नहीं बता पाई तो आप हंसेंगे.
I was thinking I could not. I could not tell
Tell.
you.
Yeah, Amar sir, are you speaking something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please, Nisha ma'am.
Okay.
If I didn't answer.
Yeah, I do, sir.
Okay. All right. So last sentences for you. That sentence is आपके साथ साथ इतने सारे लोग भी यहाँ सुन रहे हैं मुझे, इससे ज्यादा टेंशन हो रही है मुझे.
Okay.
Along with you.
Along with you, all the members are listening me.
Yes, are listening as well. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. You tried well
Okay, sir.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank you,
much
sir.
for this. Yeah. So this time going to call second. Okay, Priya sir, are you able to translate as it is or not? Should I go with you or what? Okay, next I will come to reach out to him. Okay, next I will ask. So this time, okay, what about Anup sir? You
Please.
okay? First sentence is for you. आप कैसे हैं?
How are you?
Okay, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ.
I am doing well.
जब निशा मैम बोल रही थी, आप उन्हें सुन रहे थे?
When Nisa madam talk,
Mhm.
are you listening?
Mhm. When Nisa ma'am was speaking,
Speaking, yes. बोल रही थी
हम्म,
ना, was speaking.
हाँ, आप सुन रहे थे?
Where you listen?
हाँ, were you listening her?
Oh,
हाँ,
listening. Yes.
मैं उन्हें सुन रहा था.
Yes, I was listening her.
ठीक है, फिर आप बताइए मैं उनसे क्या पूछ रहा था.
All right, please tell me, what are you, क्या बोल रहा था?
हाँ, मैं उनसे क्या पूछ रहा था.
What what were you asking to her?
हाँ. Okay, then tell me what I was asking to her. What I was, sorry,
Asking to-
what was I asking to her? What was I
अच्छा,
asking to her?
मैं सोचा आप क्या बोल रहे थे. Okay.
Okay, okay. So मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
I don't remember.
हम्म, हम्म. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं. I'm not getting. I'm
I am
unable to
not
recall
getting
that.
point. Yes.
हाँ. Okay. So okay. Okay. लेकिन आपने कहा मैं सुन रहा था उन्हें.
But you told me, am I listening?
But you told me that I was listening her.
अच्छा,
Okay.
I was listening.
मैं उन्हें सुन रहा था. ओके. ओके. हाँ, मैंने ऐसा कहा आपको, परंतु सारी बातें मुझे याद नहीं है.
Yes, I told you. कहा था बोला ना, क्या बोला आपने? हाँ, मैं कहा
हाँ,
था.
मैंने कहा था.
Yes, I told.
प्लीज.
लास्ट में पूछा आपने.
मुझे सारी याद नहीं है.
Get I remember.
मैं और sentences या फिर all the things. Am I audible to you properly? What am I able? ओहो, नेटवर्क इशू.
Now
Am I able to? What about others? Ma'am, Nishan, everyone. Voice is breaking. Oh. Is finally audible? Not audible at all. Oh. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, thank you so much for the confirmation. Anup sir, am I audible to you?
hello.
Anup sir.
Am I audible?
Anup sir. Anup sir. Anup sir, please fix your network. Anup sir, please fix your network. What about Shuman ma'am, Devi Dayal sir, Dimple ma'am, Ajay sir? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So Anup sir, he's not here. Like he's facing network issue. But this time we are not facing, so we can go with others. So what about Dimple ma'am? You may I ask you some sentences? Are you ready to translate? Dimple ma'am, you. Are you free or not? Unmute yourself. Dimple ma'am, unmute yourself. You are muted. Do fast. Dimple ma'am, please. Yeah, okay. She was also facing network issue. For that, she left, but she will join shortly. Let's see. She's going to join us or not. Otherwise, we will go with others. Okay. Wait, once again, I'm going to start. Might be they will be also able to join us. First, going to wrap up the round. Again, going to start it. Wait.